I want to ask you, in your opinion, how would you characterize the overall shift in U.S. immigration law since Trump's return to power?
I've been around a long time, since the 70s, and I've never seen a state of immigration confusion and chaos as we witness it today. The problem is lawlessness. What good is there to having a Supreme Court or courts if the law is not complied with, if the executive branch is not prepared to abide by the rulings of the judiciary? This could be quite a complicated analysis to provide all the details about why this is happening, but a few of the key elements are an intolerance on the part of the executive branch of government to the key thing is to people who are in the United States and have lived here for many years, these 11 million people, 2/3 of which have been here for more than 10 years and have contributed to society and built up their equities by their contributions in their families, their churches, their community groups, their work, their taxes, etc., but who are being disregarded and called criminals. And they're not criminals. Many of them came, well, all of them, virtually, not all, but most came from dire circumstances overseas or abroad, seeking a new life in the United States. Many came and overstayed visas, such as visitors' visas. That's the main category of people who are here in so-called undocumented status. But they're being categorized as criminals, all of them, that they're all criminals. And you can call a guy speeds and gets caught speeding, and he's called a criminal, and that's enough to deport the guy. The guy gets a speeding ticket, or let's say a parking ticket, and so there's no rationality in what's going on. It's just state power being exercised for the sake of ridding the country of these people, supposedly for the benefit of a better life in America, somehow because of the disposition of all these people.
Yeah, no, it's just cruelty, unabashed cruelty,
yeah,
for the sake of being cruel.
What I see happen. Okay, this is my analysis. What I see is martial law in slow motion.
Yeah,
what's happening is the police, who are doing their job reasonably well in the states, in the blue states that are under attack right now, being supplanted by these National Guard and the ICE officials that are coming in. And over time, I believe what's going on is a preparation for the midterms to avoid the election of people from the Democratic Party.
Yeah.
So that the Republicans can continue to rule into the next or the remainder of Trump's term, and then onward from there. I think they're planning big things beyond 28 or whatever it is that Trump's term expires.